Hi guys, today we are doing another video shot for DPF problems and solved now on a Peugeot Expert 63 plate. Let's see what the driver has to say about his car before and after.
Oh, I can say I brought it in yesterday and it was very cloggy. It went into limp mode, it wouldn't even go over 50 mile an hour. And today I'm shocked. It's absolutely amazing. It's coming for every gear. It's got so much more power in it. Yeah, I can't thank Errol enough, to be honest.
It's a pleasure to drive, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely. Feels so much better. It's like a new van.
Well, thank you very much. That was a short positive feedback. Thank you, and see you on another video. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. Our telephone number 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching.